Hey guys, just wanted to show you a dual battery setup that I did. I know we've seen a lot of them online, and I've learned of some good ways and bad ways of doing it. But you got your true isolator, dual battery, cables, your stinger. I put my fuse box back there real neat. Gotta get the cover put on it. Ordered the short battery cables from Battery Plus, very inexpensive. But anyway, I've got my horn wires here hooked up. I'll put it on the side of my breather cover right here. And just wanted to show you all I've done here. A little different scenario setup than what I've seen online. I wanted to keep it clean and neat as possible. There you go.